I just got back from a trip to California, and driving home, it was pitch black dark. This truck came up behind me and it had fog lights that were this bright yellow color and super bright in my rear view mirror, and a little bit irritating. And so I kind of slowed down, let the truck pass me. And what I noticed was as soon as that truck got in front of me, all of a sudden I could see way further than I could with my own headlights. They were going along about the same speed that I was going, and so I just set my cruise and just kind of let them pull me along. We did that for 250 miles. I would look around to just kind of keep alert, and every time I looked back, that truck was at the same like 4 to 5 car lengths in front of me. So it was almost like that truck had not moved. Finally, when we got a little bit closer to home, probably about 30 miles from home, there were street lights, it was a little bit more populated, kind of lost my truck that I was following in traffic, but it was okay because I was 30 miles from home, I was back in familiar territory, and I didn't need that extra guidance. And I tell you this story because, being alone in a car, driving along for hours, I had the opportunity to compare following this truck to life. And you've probably heard the analogy of following God's guidance, that He's just showing you just a little bit ahead. And so what I realized is this was even better than just traveling along on my own path. It was actually having someone in front of me. It felt like the same feeling that I get when I allow God to guide me, that it's not just my headlights that I'm seeing, it's actually a brighter light ahead of me that I'm able to follow. And being able to just look around and be a little bit more relaxed. Even though we were going along at 80 miles an hour, it felt like that truck was not moving. And just like Christ, He is the rock and He doesn't move. We can always look to Him and we always know where to find Him. And that's what it felt like, is even though I'm moving along, I'm continuing along my path, as long as I'm focused on Christ, He's gonna be there. So next time you're traveling along and you're feeling like you're alone, look around for that brighter light that you can kind of hold on to. And if we lose sight of the brighter light, if we're looking around and we're seeing the darkness, all we have to do is just bring our focus back. That light is always there. That's what He promised us.